Hey, what's going on, guys? This is your boy C Will, back to you with another video. Super excited today. Why? Because you can see in the title of the video, we're doing some upgrades to my gaming rig, Nite Ryder back there. So we're going to be switching out a couple of things today. But before we get started, if this is your first time here, welcome. Here we do everything tech, all things tech, whatever it is, we like to do it. And if you're a returning viewer, I appreciate you the most because you keep everything going. So without further ado, let's get started. So we got the Asus Rog Strix Z490-E gaming board here. This is definitely one of the top of line boards when it comes to Asus. I started to get a Maximus Hero 12, but I'm only going to be using this for gaming. If you haven't seen my latest video where I built my streaming rig, I'm definitely going to be taking the motherboard, CPU, and memory out of Nite Ryder here, and I'm going to put that into the streaming rig. And what we got here is just going to be for gaming. And so this is definitely one of the best boards you can get for gaming right now. I got the hot commodity right here, the 10700K 10th gen CPU, 8 cores, 16 threads. This actually replaces the Intel 9900K. And so this is going to be awesome. I have the Corsair Dominator Platinum memory, 32 gigs, 3200 megahertz. And then we got the Corsair H100i Platinum. It's a 240 millimeter cooler AIO that we're going to be using to cool off this beast. And man, let's get started with this build. Let's tear down Nite Ryder. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do, this may be like the second or third time I've taken down in this case. We got the can air spray, we got the back side panel. As you can see, the inside, I got the iFixit kit here. So let's go ahead and take these. We're going to take these AIO fans off first. All right, and I know a couple of you all have asked me, you see this lighting strip here, and you've been trying to figure out how to get the front RGB to work. So this light strip has another cable, and it's connected to, let me show you where it's connected to. So there's another cable that this connects to that goes to the front part right here. Don't know if you can see it. All right, but right here, that's where the other cable so it connects here. So when you put the front panel on, that allows for the RGB to connect. Now there's another cable that goes from here all the way to the actual top part of the panel, and it connects. And when we connect this top panel, the front panel, to the motherboard, that's what allows you to be able to cut the RGB on and off. So, FYI. Okay, let's carefully take this up. Bam, we got it. All in one piece. Now we just need to attach the Lin leaf fans that were at the top of the case to the bracket for intake fans.